All right, so I assume you've taken a go at it, of course, and let's show my solution. So as always, I'm going to invoke this first to create an account. So this dot checking, so this instance of this customer, their checking account. And then what I'm going to do is I'm simply just going to invoke my account constructor. That's right, you can invoke constructors within other constructors. This can allow you to chain together data types to form complex data types that have data types with data types. In the case of here, a customer has an account, a car might have wheels, a plane might have engine parts. It'll allow you to build up something that is truly representative of whatever it is you're trying to model. And let's do a savings account. And now let's think about this here. Both my accounts require an initial balance. So I should probably put something here inside my customer constructor to help set that. So let's do init checking as the first argument of my customer constructor. And this is just to reflect that when a customer opens a new account, they come into the bank for the first time, they're opening up the accounts, they usually make initial deposits to both checking and or savings. And let's just do it like that. And then of course, be careful to make sure you pass init checking to this dot checking, that constructor here. And then for your savings, pass init savings. And there you go. Pretty awesome, right? Let's test it out. And of course, I'm going to start with a variable, then I'm going to follow by the keyword in JavaScript of new. Remember, I need to use that because if I simply just call my customer function down there, JavaScript won't know that I'm creating a new customer data type. And let's say I'm going to pass 5,000 and 2,500. Perfect. Let's console.log it below. Go. And just above real quick, on these upper lines, go ahead and just select these guys and hit Control or Apple / and just comment them out. Let's just focus on making sure our constructor function works for now. You open up your file and you open up your terminal and just run the program. Perfect. Look at this. Our customer has two accounts. One under checking with a balance of 5,000 and the savings has a balance of 2,500. Now this is pretty good, but I'm going to be extra picky because I can. And I want to say that I want to have a way of differentiating much more easily whether or not I'm accessing a checking or the savings account of a given customer. So how can we maybe do that?